let's learn how to find Binance Referral code and Binance Referral link. So what is this? The Binance Referral program is simple way you can earn more money and get some rewards by inviting your friends or whoever new will join. Basically what this means is when you invite someone to join Binance using your link, you will earn a percentage of their trading fees. So this means both of you and your friends will be rewarded and have some discounts. Now how you can check this is to go to user center, this icon. Now you will have to go to referral, that's third in a row, click on it. This will open new tab, X. Scroll down a bit and you will see here my referrals. My rewards. To check your referral link, click on this invite friends yellow button and you will here see referral ID and referral link. You can copy both of them and send to your friends, and this way you can join the referral program and earn more money, and your friends will get discount. When you share your referral link, they will appear here and you will get noted when they join. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.